Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be reviewing this activated charcoal 3-in-1 clay mask by Oriental Botanics. But before starting the video, make sure you subscribe my channel. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. To stay updated about the upcoming videos, to get some fun tips and tricks about lifestyle and fashion, you can follow me on my social medias. The links are in the description box. Watch the video till the end to know the benefits of the ingredients it contains. You can even find a summary list at the end of the video. This is an activated charcoal 3-in-1 clay mask by Oriental Botanics. It says that it is pore detoxifying, whitening and refreshing. So this comes in this floral print black and golden color cardboard box which has all the details mentioned on it. So this retails for 700 rupees and it has shelf life of around 2 years. The ingredient list you can see on the back side of this cardboard box. So this mask comes in this luxurious packaging of this golden and black color. So it is a quite huge tub. So when you open this, there is one more lid for the security purpose. And when you open this, you will get the mask. So to apply this, I'm using my fingers, but you can use a brush also. Do not apply it around your eyes and mouth area. So when you apply it, you will feel some tingling sensation, and that is the sign that the mask is working. But if you have a sensitive skin, I will suggest you that please do not apply anything on your face without consulting a skin doctor, because you never know what can react to your skin. So please don't take such risk. If you're using your fingers to apply the mask, then please do not dip the same finger for the second time. You can either take the good amount of the mask at once or use a brush or some other tool to take it out. So as a main ingredient, it contains activated charcoal, kaolin clay, bentonite clay combined with matrixyl 3000, vitamin C, E, B3, B5 and menthol. Keep the mask for 20 minutes and do not talk or smile after you have applied the mask. So to remove this mask or any face mask, make sure you wet your face mask and then remove it so there is no tugging or pulling of your skin. So activated charcoal helps to fight bacteria, acne, removes the dirt from your skin. Kaolin helps to remove dead skin from your face and make it more softer. Bentonite helps to remove any type of acne spots or dark spots from the skin. So bentonite is mixed with matrixyl 3000, which is a protein basically which helps to boost the collagen production and has anti-aging properties. So around my cheek area I have pores, but after using this mask they have minimized to some extent. My skin is not feeling dehydrated, but still, as I have used a mask, immediately I will apply a toner and a moisturizer. So you should do the same so that your skin is hydrated and it does not feel stretchy. So this was all for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.